Imagine you're playing a new game on Steam, but it's a trap to steal your data. You launch a new game on Steam, excited to play, but suddenly realize it's not just a game. It's a trap designed to steal your personal data. Every day, millions of players download games without considering the risks, but what if the game itself was designed to hack your device? A mysterious game appeared on Steam, but it was suddenly removed before anyone could figure out what was going on. What's the story? And how can you make sure your device is safe? All the shocking details are here. Stay tuned. Valve removed a game called Sniper, Phantom's Resolution from Steam after players discovered that its demo version contained a virus designed to steal data from users' devices. The shocking part? This isn't the first time Steam has been used to spread malware. Just a month ago, a game called PirateFi was spreading a virus named Vidar InfoStealer and was downloaded by around 1,500 users before being deleted. Phantom's Resolution was uploaded under the fake developer name Sierra 6 Studios. It was supposed to be just a demo for a full game set to be released soon. But instead of a fun gaming experience, it turned out to be a trap to steal user data. How did players discover the game was unsafe? The game's images and description were stolen from other games. Instead of downloading from Steam servers, the game redirected players to a GitHub link outside of Steam. The installation file had a suspicious name: Windows Defender SmartScreen.exe. It looked like a system file, but it was actually spyware. After analyzing the file, security researchers found it contained dangerous hacking tools such as a privilege escalation tool, allowing hackers to take full control of the device. A node.js file often used by hackers to execute malicious scripts. Fiddler software which steals browser cookies and accesses saved login data. How did hackers avoid detection? The malware was programmed to run scripts for just a few seconds and then shut down immediately, making it hard to detect. Hackers also used a script called createshortcut.vbs to add the virus to Windows startup programs, ensuring it runs automatically every time the device is turned on. GitHub deleted the malicious files as soon as they were reported. Valve removed the game from Steam to protect users. The fake developer's website was shut down after the scandal. How to check if your device is infected? If you downloaded the game, your device might be infected. Follow these steps immediately. Uninstall the game completely. Run a full scan with a strong antivirus. Check your startup programs. Open Task Manager. Go to Startup tab. If you see anything suspicious related to the game, disable and delete it. Look for suspicious files on your device. Go to these locations. If you find any files linked to the game, delete them immediately. Change your passwords for any accounts you used while playing the game, especially if you reuse the same password on multiple platforms. How to protect yourself from malicious games. Never download files from outside Steam, even if the game asks you to. Check file names before opening them. If you see something suspicious like Windows Defender SmartScreen.exe, do not run it. Use a Steam account without sensitive personal data. If possible, keep your Steam account separate from your main email. Always enable a firewall to block suspicious connections. Read game reviews and check if other players report anything unusual. Sniper. Phantom's Resolution was nothing more than a trap to steal gamers' data. This is a crucial lesson. Even games from an official store like Steam can be dangerous. Always verify the source of your downloads and never click on suspicious links. Keep your antivirus running and your firewall enabled to protect your device from future threats. Stay alert and don't let hackers trick you.